Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In this one, I'll be showing you guys how to use the Shopify's new Summer 2023 Grand Update. I'll be going over all the new features that Shopify has pushed in this huge 2023 Summer Update. So, the new Shopify Summer editions are out, and there are over 100 new features and updates to cover. This time, they are focusing heavily on AI tools to make it easier to create, market, and run your store. They have also added new free official apps that expand the functionality of your Shopify store and allow you to sell in more places and in more ways. So, let's divide this video into a bunch of different categories. Today, I'll be showing you guys how to use the new Shopify official applications, the visual and theme updates available for you, and finally, we're going to slightly cover the AI abilities and features that Shopify has for e-commerce sellers. So firstly, let's cover the Shopify Bundles application. So as you know, this is something that we've all been expecting for a while now. You can now create and sell bundles with Shopify. This is a great way to increase your average order value. It works for fixed bundles and even works for multi-packs as well. Let's take a closer look at this feature, shall we? You can create the bundle from here and then select the products that you wish to include in said bundle. You can even add products with options. So for example, if you have a certain store and you want to offer a bundle with, for example, t-shirt, pants, and shoes, you can allow them to select the size of each product as a variation. Here I'll show you like this. You can choose the variation of each product that's contained in the bundle. But a bundle can't have more than 10 products, 10 bundle options, or 100 variants. So I have this product with multiple different sizes, and this product with also multiple other sizes. That's only going to be about, I'd say maybe 300 or so variants. I know Shopify is currently working on increasing the limit to about 250 variants, which isn't that many as well, but it's great that Shopify has been pushing this option either way. So just choose the two products with the variations you wish to have, and then click Save and Continue. Now let's create the bundle page. So I don't really feel like writing an entire description for this, but let's try using the Shopify magic to make it for us. As you can see, we have our description, and I'm pretty happy with it. And we have all the variations right here, and there are quite a number of them, aren't there? So let's set the price, and it's actually really simple. Just do it like this, apply it to all, and there we go. So we can select whatever size we want independently for each product. Isn't that great? And there are a number of limitations for this feature, but it works if you have products with variations, but not a huge number of them. Next, let's check out the new Shopify app, which is the Shopify Collectives app. You see, the Shopify Collectives application is an effort to connect all the stores with this app. You can sell other people's products on your website, and the same way, people can sell your product on their website as well. Collective is an effortless new way for Shopify stores to connect and sell with each other. So simply go to the Shopify Collectives application, select the products that you wish to add to your store, and you can add them seamlessly this way. So let's say, for example, you're a yoga brand and you want to sell yoga clothes, but you think your audience and customer base would also love yoga mats. You can find a good company that sells yoga mats and have their products added to your website. If someone buys them, that order goes directly to the other store, but you do get a cut for promoting their product. So every store will upload to the Shopify Collectives application and the products that they want other stores to sell, along with the price of the product and the margin that they are willing to give away. Typically, with Shopify, margins are set to about 20 to maybe 40%. Here, I'll show you the requirements if you wish to add products to your store. A few certain things to note though, you have to be in the US and selling in dollars, have Shopify payments activated, and have made at least $50,000 in the last 12 months. If you want your products on other people's stores though, you'll also need the same requirements, plus being active on the Shop app and meeting Shop merchant guidelines. I myself have already signed up for the waitlist and cannot wait to get access to this brand spanking new feature. And let's also cover the Shopify subscriptions applications. You can now create a subscription plan, choose your products, and allow your buyers to purchase them as a subscription package. You can choose weekly or monthly delivery and even give a discount if they choose a certain subscription plan. And of course, you'll definitely also allow them to buy once at the regular price. So this feature is currently in early access, but if you need a subscription app right now, there are a ton of them available on the Shopify App Store right now. Now, let's also take a look at the new, free Shopify Themes and visual updates. All of these different themes now have built-in support for theme animations, including fading on scroll, special effects for image banners, and hover effects on cards and buttons. So if you're using a free theme, don't forget to check it out and just update it in case. So you want to go to your themes page, click on Add to Theme Library when you see the update. Then just go to Customize, go to the theme settings, go to Animations, and you can activate the animations from there. And another great update with this is Flex Sections. With the Flex Section update, you can now customize your sections however you please. You can simply drag and drop, resize, group move around so each section can be unique. And finally, let's check out these new AI systems. Shopify's new star of the show is this AI assistant called Sidekick. It's pretty much an overpowered chatbot that lives inside of your Shopify. You can ask it questions like why did I have a sales drop from March to now? And it'll tell you with its algorithm, it's because there was a certain number of factors which affected your sales. You can ask it to put everything on sale, and it'll create an automated sale on each of your products. For the advent of this AI chatbot, you had to navigate to the Shopify admin page and do it manually. Now, you can simply say what you want, and it'll do it automatically for you. For example, I can ask it to add a certain new collection to my homepage, and it'll automatically add that exact collection. So for example, it's right now summer, and you don't want to sell, let's say, snowboards anymore. You can ask it to remove your snowboard collection and make your store look more like a summer-themed surf shop. You can also ask it to write new content for your banner, make it focus on selling certain products, and it does it in absolutely no time at all. Yet again though, this AI feature is still in early access, and only a certain select few people and stores have access to it. I personally will be looking forward to this for sure. And that's really all the time we have for today to cover Shopify's new updates this summer 2023. If you have any other questions or inquiries or just want to discuss all the features that we've talked about, feel free to leave a comment down below. As always, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. Yet again, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.